Hello guys, in this video we will see how to set up status privacy in WhatsApp. Now we can see the status posted by our friends. Here you will see the status of your friends. Now we may have phone contacts with several people. Some of them may not be interested to look at our status, or maybe we don't want to share our status to everybody. For example, you want to share your status updates only to your close friends and family. Then in that case you can set it up instead of your status splashing to everybody. So how do you set it up? For that, you go to status and go to status privacy. Here WhatsApp has given 3 options. Who can see my status updates, my contacts. That means anybody who has your phone number will be able to see your status updates. Okay, that is the default status privacy setting. Next is my contacts except. That means everyone will see your status update except the ones you select here. Okay, so if you want to exclude certain people, then you can use this option. So your status will be saved to everybody except these people you have selected. Okay, so this may be good to exclude your work employees or colleagues, or some people who you don't want to share your status updates with. The rest are fine. Now there's another setting here which says only share with. If you tap here, your status update will be shared to only these people you have selected. As you can see, the tick marks are green in color. That means you are going to share status updates with these people. Okay, so that way you can control who can see your status updates in WhatsApp. So that was a quick tip. Thank you. Bye bye.